Hello friends, very most welcome to all of you in this our online lecture series. Friends, today we will discuss here the very most important topic, non-inertial frame of reference and fictitious forces. Fictitious forces also have some relation from non-inertial frame of reference. Fictitious forces by the other name pseudo forces, all of you have discussed in class 11th in mechanics also. Today we will see here firstly what is non-inertial frame of reference, and then what are the fictitious forces and some examples of fictitious forces. Firstly we will see here non-inertial frame of reference and fictitious forces. And fictitious forces. Friends, as we have told you in the topic introduction of frame of reference, the frame of reference are two types. First is inertial frame of reference and second is non-inertial frame of reference. If Newton's laws, Newton's first and second law is completely hold very well to the frame of reference, then this frame of reference will be called inertial frame of reference. And contradictory of this statement, it is known as non-inertial frame of reference. In other words, we can say that accelerated frame of reference is known as non-inertial frame of reference. In this frame of reference, Newton's laws, the fundamental laws, are not hold very well. Here we can write the definition of non-inertial frame of reference such that accelerated frame of reference is known as non-inertial frame of reference. Non-inertial frame of reference. A non-inertial frame of reference have some accelerations. Friends, as we have told you in previous topic was on the topic, previous lecture was on the topic Galilean invariance. In Galilean invariance, or we can say that according to statement of Galilean invariance, we can say that the all fundamental physical laws are completely, or we can say that are invariant in all inertial frame of reference. But if we will discuss an example, if we will take Newton's second law of motion, if we will discuss Newton's second law of motion relative to non-inertial frame of reference, then it will give different answer, or we can say that it will be different. That is, it not will be F is equal to ma. If we observe the force acted upon any particle relative to frame of reference, which have some acceleration, or we can say that relative to non-inertial frame of reference, or we can say that the physical laws or fundamental physical laws are not hold very well relative to frame S dash, and frame S dash means we want to say that relative to non-inertial frame of reference. If we observe the objects and forces acted upon any object relative to frame S dash or non-inertial frame of references, then the force will not be is equal to ma. The force will be different here. Here we will see, and we will consider two examples. One frame of reference is inertial, and other second frame of references is non-inertial frame of reference. Now we are considering here, let us consider two frame of reference S and S dash. Here S is inertial frame of reference and S dash is non-inertial frame of reference. Here S is equal to inertial frame of reference and S dash is equal to non-inertial frame of reference. We can draw a figure of these two type of frame of reference. The first is S and second is S dash. Now we are considering here the frame S dash have an acceleration a naught in this direction, and any particle P is present, or we can say that at rest relative to frame S. Any particle P at this point is at rest relative to frame S. Then now we can write here my assumption. Suppose a naught acceleration is present in frame S dash, while no acceleration in frame S. That is, frame S is inertial frame of reference and S dash is non-inertial frame of reference, because the frame S dash have an acceleration a naught. Now friends, as we have told you, if we will observe the Newton's second law of motion related to frame S dash, which have some an acceleration, then it will not be F is equal to ma. It will be different. How it will be different? We will see here. Here we are considering the particle P is at rest relative to frame S, and then acceleration will be relative to frame S dash upon this particle P. The acceleration at this particle P, which is at rest relative to frame S, will be minus a naught, because this frame is moving or accelerating in this direction. Friends, particle P will be accelerates by acceleration minus a naught. Here we want to say that the acceleration of particle P, which is at rest relative to frame S, will be minus a naught relative to frame S dash. We want to say that the particle P have an acceleration minus a naught because frame S dash has already acceleration a naught in this direction. Hence, in the opposite direction of this acceleration, this particle also will accelerate. And a force, according to Newton's second law, force will act upon this particle will be minus ma naught, and this force is known as fictitious force. It is not any type of real force because this force is only arises due to this acceleration of frame of reference, or only due to this accelerated frame of reference S dash. This force minus ma naught is arise only due to this acceleration of frame of reference S dash. So it is an imaginary force, or we can say that apparent force or fictitious force or pseudo force. Here we can write here, hence minus ma naught force will act at the particle P and this force is also we can write here relative to frame S dash, relative to frame S dash. This force will be act upon this particle which is at rest relative to frame S will be minus ma naught relative to frame S dash, because frame S dash is accelerating by the acceleration a naught. Now we can write here the definition of fictitious force or pseudo forces. In other words, we can say that it is also known as apparent forces. The force minus ma naught is known as fictitious forces or pseudo forces. That is, it's not any type of real force. It's not any type of real forces. It is an arises due to only acceleration of frame of reference S dash. So it is also known as apparent forces. Here we can write the pseudo force Fp is equal to minus ma naught. We will consider it. It is equation number 1. And also, if we will consider the acceleration, initial acceleration of this particle is ai relative to frame S. Here we can write in the form of a statement, if B suppose acceleration initially, here we can write is ai of particle P relative to frame S then it will be F is equal to MAI, because here we have chosen it has acceleration AI. We have considered it is equation number 2, MAI. Now if we want to consider the net force acted upon the particle, net force acted upon the particle P in frame S dash, then what will we get here? Then we will get here the force will be F dash, because we are considering or we are observing the net force on the particle P. We are considering net force on the particle P relative to frame S dash. Hence, net force on the particle P relative to, or we can say that in frame S dash relative to frame S dash, then F dash is equal to net force, means we can say that one is MAI and the other is minus MA naught. Here the sign will be positive, but this force have sign already negative. Then for adding, during the adding of these two forces, we will get here minus MA naught, MAI minus MA naught. At the place of plus sign, because this is negative, so the F dash will be MAI minus MA naught. Here also we can write MAI minus A naught. Also we can choose here AI minus A naught is equal to A, and also it will be MA. Here A is acceleration of particle. Here A is acceleration of particle P. You can write it also. Now we have obtained here the net force F dash is equal to, we can see here MAI, the value of MAI will be F with the help of equation number 2, and minus MA naught with the use of equation number 1 which we have deleted, which was F dash is equal to minus MA naught. During the use of these two equations, we can write here the F dash is equal to F plus Fp. F plus Fp. Here F is force acted upon this particle relative to frame S, and Fp is force acted upon particle relative to frame S dash, which is non-inertial frame of reference. Friends, if we choose one more example to understand better this concept, now we are choosing example. My example is, we are considering any lift which are accelerating downwards, or we can say that which are freely falling downwards, and any particle P is present in the inside of lift. Here we are considering we have any lift, and any particle is present in the inside of lift, and lift is freely falling downwards under the gravity. Then the particle which is present in the inside of lift, it will have two forces. One is pseudo forces and other is forces, or we can say that force will act upon that particle due to acceleration due to gravity, which will be A. Here we can write, or we can understand, the first is pseudo forces, which will be Fp is equal to minus mg. Here g is acceleration due to gravity, and other force we are representing here other forces which will act upon that particle which is present in inside of lift. The force will act, other force except of this pseudo force, the other force also will act due to acceleration due to gravity, which will be g, and which will be F is equal to mg. Then what is net force upon the particle which was present in inside of lift? Then we will see here net force F dash is equal to F plus Fp. Here F dash is force acting upon the particle in inside of the lift, or we can say that relative to frame S dash, which are moving downwards. F dash is equal to F plus Fp, and here we can write mg minus mg, which will be 0. And also we have studied it, or this example, in previous classes, or class 11th in the mechanics. The particle will feel no force. The resultant forces acted upon that particle which is present in inside of lift 0. No any force will feel the particle during this process or during this assumption which we have chosen here. Friends, fictitious forces are also called pseudo forces, and something about fictitious forces and non-natural frame of references we have told you in this topic. So today we will stop here. Thank you very much.